Hi, in this video, I will be demonstrating how to install Java on a computer running on Windows operating system. For this, you will be requiring a browser installed and an active working internet connection. Space hyphen version and hit on enter. If you can see a version number, that means it is properly configured. If it tells that the command is not recognized, that means it is not properly configured. To configure it, once again go into the Windows search and type in path and hit on enter to open the advanced tab of the system properties. Click on the environment variables. Under the system variables, search for a variable by name path. Select it and click on edit. Create a new entry by clicking on the new button and then click on the browse button and browse to the location where the Java was installed. By default, it will be inside the C drive, program files, Java, JDK version, bin. Click on OK. You can see a new entry there. Click on OK. Once again click on OK. Once again click on OK. Now go back to the command prompt and type in the same command once again and hit on enter. You will not be able to see the version number yet. Why? Because the session needs to be refreshed. So close the session and open a new session of command prompt and type in the command, and when you hit on enter, this time you should be able to see the version number. If you can see the version number, that means it is good to go.